Hello, students. So, in the last lesson, you all learned what a community was and what type of communities you belong to. You can watch this video on your own time if you want more review, but for now, you can start answering the questions. Okay, so far, pretty good. Just a reminder that a community can be a small or large group that you can be a part of. But so far, pretty good on number one. For question two, they all look pretty good for everyone that actually did draw something. Um, Gives me a clear indication that you are a part of a community, and I can tell what type of community that is as well. Mm. All right, so good job, Emily and Cindy and Jared, as well as Rayleigh. So for question three, I asked you to describe a community you're a part of and what you do in that community. These are all really good descriptions, and so good job on number three. Very nice, Cindy. And 5 points for that. Okay. So far, so good. On question four, some of you did get that one wrong. So if you are having some confusion about what the term is for a member of a community, please go back and watch the video. So for five, I asked you what a local community was. Everyone did pretty good. Okay. So this is just asking for a really broad explanation of what a local community is, nothing specific, but I will accept that. And then for question six, some of these answers are really great, but if you didn't get this question or you're having some confusion, go back and reread that attached document. Nice. Great job, Emily and Jared and Rayleigh. All right, and that's the end.